Listen and repeat. 50 most common English expressions. How's it going? How's it going? What's up? What's up? Long time no see. Long time no see. Better late than never. Better late than never. Take it easy. Take it easy. No worries. No worries. That sounds good. That sounds good. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. It is what it is. It is what it is. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Let me know. Let me know. That makes sense. That makes sense. Have a good one. Have a good one. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Hang in there. Hang in there. You never know. You never know. Good for you. Good for you. That's too bad. That's too bad. No hard feelings. No hard feelings. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. I knew it. I knew it. Just a minute. Just a minute. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Take your time. Take your time. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. That's a good point. That's a good point. Fair enough. Fair enough. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Let's catch up soon. Let's catch up soon. Never mind. Never mind. That happens. That happens. You're welcome. You're welcome. How can I help you? How can I help you? I'll do my best. I'll do my best. I'm starving. I'm starving. That's interesting. That's interesting. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You're not going to believe this. You're not going to believe this. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. It's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea.